Hi, I'm Brandon with Temp Bearings. If you're looking for precision, speed, and long-lasting durability, our premium ball bearings deliver exactly that. Ball bearings are critical in reducing friction and support radial and axial loads in those high-speed environments. They service high-performance applications from automotive to aerospace. They ensure smooth and efficient motion, making them essential components in countless industries. When it comes to performance, our ball bearings are in a league of their own. We offer a range of specialized categories to meet your exact needs. First, our standard deep groove ball bearings are the first go-to choice for most applications, offering smooth operation and high-speed efficiency you can always count on. For those extreme environments, our high-temperature ball bearings are built to perform in intense heat and make them perfect for ovens, furnaces, and more. If you need protection against the harshest elements, our stainless steel ball bearings are corrosion resistant, designed for rigorous use in food processing, marine, and chemical environments. If lightweight precision is what you're after, our ceramic bearings provide low friction, non-magnetic performance, ideal for those high speed and specialty systems where every detail matters. Where do our bearings make an impact? They're essential in the automotive world to keep you going to your next destination, crucial for those precision medical devices, and also meet the demands of aerospace systems and drones in the skies above. You'll find them in manufacturing equipment and powering the dynamic movements of robotics. At Temp Bearings, we offer more than just parts, we deliver performance. Here's why our bearings stand out in the industry. We offer top-tier materials from trusted sources to ensure lasting quality. Our wide selection of custom options mean you'll always find the perfect fit. Enjoy competitive pricing, fast shipping directly to your door. Plus, our expert support team is always there to help you tackle that next breakdown. Engineered for precision, built to perform, ready to ship. Explore all of our deep groove ball bearing products at HighTempBearings.com.